Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best ECN Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. ECN, or Electronic Communications Networks, provides traders with direct access to other participants in the currency or forex markets. ECN brokers consolidate price quotations, which are derived from across several market participants, to offer their traders the tightest bid-ask spreads than would usually be available to them. In this list, we will be going through some of the top 5 best ECN Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 is Valutrades. Valutrades is a well-regulated UK and Seychelles-based ECN and DMA broker, which offers traders competitive trading solutions under 2 entities, known as Valutrades UK and Valutrades Seychelles. With Valutrades, traders have access to over 100 financial instruments, which can be traded along with access to adequate education, research tools, and resources. Valutrades caters for all trading styles, including automated trading, HFTs, and scalpers. Valutrades provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, CFDs, and commodities. Featured accounts are available on a demo practice account and their standard ECN account, which is designed for active traders, offering news, no limit on the number of open orders, scalping opportunities, and no minimum deposits. With Valutrades, traders can also apply for a professional status, which gains access to higher leverage. Platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems, with alternative fixed API options available. Valutrades also provides their very own educational center, which delves into various beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading courses, step-by-step guides and ebooks, multiple educational videos, blog articles, as well as a number of upcoming and past webinars that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Valutrades. At number 4 on our list is Forex.com. Forex.com is a one-stop shop for Forex traders, providing a range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forex.com offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forex.com's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard, commission, and direct market access accounts with lower Forex fees, access to their web and mobile platforms, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Forex.com. At number 3 is RoboForex. RoboForex Group was founded in 2009 with its headquarters located in Cyprus. With over 800,000 active traders, 12,000 market instruments, and 8 different asset types, RoboForex offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, R and C Trader platforms, as well as RoboForex's terminals for mobile traders, which are supported on iOS, Android, and Windows operating systems. Provided accounts are featured on Prime, ECN, RTrader, ProCent, and Pro Standard accounts, with up to 36 currency pairs, a variety of tradable market instruments, lower minimum deposits, and more, with fixed spread accounts available on ProCent and Pro Standard accounts. RoboForex also provides their very own educational panels, which features Forex analysis and forecasts, beginner introductions to getting started, a wide range of video tutorials, trading tools, as well as an economic calendar if you are looking to expand your education with RoboForex. At number 2 is Plus 500. Plus 500 is a popular online trading broker, which has been in operation since 2008 and has multiple regulations in various jurisdictions, while offering sophisticated online trading services to an array of traders from multiple countries around the world. With Plus 500, traders have access to over 2,000 financial instruments, including Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Plus 500 features an advanced, user-friendly, and reliable trading platform, using the competitive trading conditions offered, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to cater to various levels of trading, for beginners and professionals alike, regardless of their trading needs, objectives, or trading experience, and ensures that traders have a dynamic and secure trading environment. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panels, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which includes popular trading strategies and videos if you are looking for any additional education with Plus 500. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best ECN Forex brokers is Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Xfinity Limited and is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts, with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education with Alpari. And those are some of the top 5 best ECN Forex brokers on our list. be sure to subscribe to our channel and to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.